Hello and welcome to How to Play Horse Race, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Horse Race. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 3 or more players. To play, you will need a 52 card deck. The dealer will set up the 4 aces in a column. The remaining cards are shuffled and 7 cards are placed face up in a horizontal row above the aces. The dealer will keep the remaining deck face down on the table. The object of the game is to correctly bet on which ace or horse will complete the course first. An ace will advance when a card with the corresponding suit is flipped up from the deck. The first ace to have 8 cards flipped with a corresponding suit wins the race. Players other than the dealer will make a bet on which ace they think will win the race. A player's bet is placed next to the ace they are betting on. The dealer will pay out players that bet on the winning ace, and will collect bets from the players that bet on the losing aces. Betting odds for each ace are given based on the number of matching suits that are in the 7-card horizontal layout. If an ace has no corresponding suits in the layout, the odds are even. For 1 card, the odds are 2 to 1. For 2 cards, the odds are 3 to 1. For 3 cards, the odds are 5 to 1. For 4 cards, the odds are 10 to 1. Going back to the layout set up earlier, each player other than the dealer will place their bets. Red bets 1 on spades, green bets 2 on hearts, blue bets 1 on clubs, and white bets 2 on clubs. Once all bets are made, the dealer will flip up the top card of the remaining deck. The ace that matches the suit of the flipped up card advances. The 10 of spades is flipped, and the ace of spades will advance 1 space to be under the 6 of diamonds. The next top card is flipped from the deck. It is another spade, and the ace of spades advances again. The dealer will continue to flip cards from the deck and move the matching ace. With the king of spades being flipped, the ace of spades is able to cross the finish line to win the race. There were 2 spades in the 7-card layout to start the race. This gives spades 3 to 1 odds. Red will get paid 3 chips for the 1 bet, paid by the dealer. The dealer will collect all other bets. The dealer will rotate and a new layout is created. If 5 or more cards of a suit are in the horizontal layout after setting up, the cards are picked up and reshuffled. That wraps up How to Play Horse Race. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching!